Hey guys, it's me, Jonathan, and today I'm gonna show you all the slimes I have that I made. I only made a couple of them. I had a big one, like I had a big jelly one, but these are all mine. And the only reason I have musicallys on my channel is for y'all to see them. I have a lot of them, and I'm gonna upload later. Okay, my first slime is. Oh, these are all my slime. And I'm kind of sick too, like kind of. Okay, the first one I'll be showing you is this red one. It's real clicky. I'm gonna put it in here. It's this red one, and it's real stretchy and clicky. And I got these at Walmart for like $4, and I got another one. And then I got paint, and I made it with clear glue. The paint was 50 cents, like that's so cheap. And that's that one. And I put pink glitter, and red glitter. Okay, go on to the next one. The second slime I'll be showing you is this. I didn't have no orange container, so I put in this purple. It looks like nacho. Okay. And I made this one with orange paint. I thought it was orange because it looked orange, but it's like a nacho cheese. Then I put it with orange glitter and clear glue and baking soda. But I'm gonna cook it. On to the next one. The second slime I'll be showing you is this yellow one. And next time I'm gonna get six. Like I don't know, I should get this one like a cherry one, mango. This yellow one, I want it to be like a banana or like a lemon, like a banana or a lemon. Okay, the next one I'll be showing you is this one. I want this one to be like a green apple or like a kiwi. But I think sour green apple or green apple. And it's real stretchy. Not chewy. And this is real cookie. Okay, on to this one. This blue one, this was my favorite. I want this one to be like cotton candy or like a raspberry. Blue glitter and paint and all that. And clear glue. And that one, I love that one. It's like real stretchy. Okay, on to the next one. It's this purple one. I just made like the rainbow color. And I want this one to be like a grape. Okay? Now those were all my slides. So I'm gonna get some more, but I'll see y'all on my next video. And I'll see you on my next video with more slides, or I'll just probably do it musically, or I'll do a live thing. So yeah, see you later. Bye. Little caramel boy out.